Stay tuned to see how you can create your own pineapple themed makeup brush holder. So I found this really cute little glass jar at Rainbow, and even though I love what the little saying was on the front of the cup, I wanted to redo it and make it my own. So I used several coats of white acrylic paint to paint over their design. I then covered the cup in a coat of glitterific acrylic paint. Now here comes my favorite part, which is adding on the decals. I do really like how the glitter paint showed up on the jar on top of the white. It came out really great to me. I was a little concerned that it would be a little too bumpy for me to apply my decals, but it worked out just fine. So here you see me cutting out the decals that I'm going to be using. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I think that these little pineapples are so cute. And with going into summer, I thought this would be a great little addition to my house. So just like the other decal videos I've done, you simply cut out your decal, place it on whatever you're trying to apply it to, and then start to rub. You want to keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, and you can tell the difference when it's adhered to your jar, as like there's a sheen to it that you can see when you are starting to remove it, and you can definitely tell whether or not the decal has fully come off of the transfer paper or if it's still adhering to the paper. So you just want to keep rubbing. Most times, if you start to remove the transfer paper and you see that it hasn't fully transferred to whatever item you're applying it to, then you can lightly place it back and continue the rubbing process until it does finally adhere to whatever medium you're using. For me, it's the jar. And you'll see I've had to do it a couple of times because as I started to pull off the transfer paper, the decal started to come with it. So you'll just continue this process until you've applied as many of the decals that you want to your jar. And here is the final and finished pineapple makeup brush holder. Now, of course, you can use your holder for whatever you need: pens, pencils, paintbrushes. You can use it for pretty much anything. And that's what I like about this, is that it has a lot of versatility. It's so cute. These little decals just add another bit of excitement and happiness to it, and it goes great with the colors of the glitter acrylic paint. Thank you for joining me for another video. I had so much fun with this DIY. I love how it came out. Those pineapples just have so much personality. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with a friend. wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.